Amen. Although Isaiah lived long before the captivity of Judah and Jerusalem, he not only prophesied of it, that is, the captivity, but he also prophesied about the release of the Jews from captivity and their return to Jerusalem and to Israel. Isaiah chapter 45 is such a chapter where King Cyrus is named as the instrument that God would use to effect the release of the Jews from captivity. You will see that if you compare and contrast verse 1 and verse 13 of the chapter. Thus saith the Lord to his anointed, to Cyrus, whose right hand I have holden, to subdue nations before him. And I will loose the loins of kings, to open before him the two-leaved gates, and the gates shall not be shut. What a marvel that even in Isaiah's day the Lord inspired him to name the king that he would use to release his people and let them go from their captivity. In verse 13 we read those words, I have raised him up, righteousness, and I will direct all his ways. He shall build my city, and he shall let go my captives, not for price nor reward.